2025 WNBA season has only officially begun for 2 full weeks. Things already appear to be just as thrilling as they were the previous year. At the end of the season, it's impossible to predict if Sabrina Ionescu and her New York Liberty team will repeat, but their 7-0 record makes a compelling argument. But among the league's athletes, Nike is the most well-known brand, as has previously been established. Prior to being hurt, Caitlin Clark of the Indiana Fever was hitting numbers in pairs from the Nike Kobe Protro series. The Las Vegas Aces' A'ja Wilson unlocked the achievement, which would allow the thrilling hooper to get her own signature sneaker. Players in the WNBA wear Nike A1s night in and night out, yet none have been able to lead the league in blocks per game and average 22.8 points and 10.5 rebounds. With nearly 32,000 minutes played on the NBA's hardwood during the 2024-25 regular season, Ionescu's Nike Sabrina 2 has been a success in both the WNBA and the NBA, according to Kickstats. The mix of Zoom Air and Cushlon cushioning in the low-profile style has made the design one of the most comfortable in the industry. Because of its wide range of color schemes, people with different tastes can pick a pair that fits their personal style. The Sabrina 2 by You experience lets you customize your pair if store alternatives aren't enough. From trademark models to the popular greater-than franchise, the Air Zoom GT Cut 3 offers dependable performance for celebrities like Tyra McCowan, Maya Caldwell, and Veronica Burton.